Hey, you trolls! Natasha Bomb Bomb here. Y'all see this beautiful makeup look? Y'all see that highlight? So many of you say that I sound just like Nicki Minaj when I sing, so I'm gonna let you Snapchatters be the judge of that. So here we go.
Type of money you gon' need a bank. From the hood, this type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fight. Big bank, tight, low bank. Big bank, tight, low bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bum bitches mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these bitches rap again.